a new chapter in space exploration.
For decades, space stations were the domain of governments, with NASA's International Space Station as a shining example. Today, private companies are entering the race, designing commercial habitats that promise not just research facilities, but also outposts for tourism, industry, and science. The future of living and working in space is no longer limited to state-led missions.
Why build private space stations?
As the International Space Station ages, there's a growing need for new platforms in orbit. Private companies aim to fill this gap, offering services for scientific research, zero-gravity manufacturing, and even space vacations. By opening space to more participants, commercial habitats could spark innovation and make Earth orbit more accessible.
Key companies leading the way.
Several trailblazing companies are developing the next generation of orbital habitats. Axiom Space plans modular space stations to eventually replace the ISS. Blue Origin is working with partners on Orbital Reef, a commercial station focused on research and tourism. SpaceX is also exploring long-duration crew habitats, potentially leveraging its Starship technology for future stations.
From science labs to space hotels.
While research remains a primary goal, future space stations will also cater to new markets. Private habitats could enable pharmaceutical breakthroughs, advanced materials manufacturing, and climate science. At the same time, for the first time, tourists may be able to visit orbit, enjoy Earth views, and experience life in microgravity, heralding a new era in space tourism.
Challenges ahead and the road forward.
Turning visions of private space habitats into reality involves overcoming significant hurdles. Building safe, reliable structures in orbit requires advanced technology, funding, and regulatory support. Yet the momentum is building. As commercial stations approach launch in the coming decade, they hold the promise of revolutionizing our relationship with space, for scientists, businesses, and travelers alike.